What's up YouTube? I'm Joe, you're watching Ink&Iron, and today we're going to talk about face coverings. Give me a second.
Okay, let's talk about face coverings today. I live in Colorado, and the governor just announced that he is advising people to wear just reusable cloth face coverings when out in public. So, since we are going out today, I'm gonna cover up my face. I'm gonna show you what you can do at home to cover up your face and try to protect your health and your family's health during this ongoing coronavirus outbreak. I've tried to grab just like random stuff I had lying around, as well as some more official face masks. So I'm just trying to give you some options in case your state employs a policy like mine just did, where you need to cover up when you go outside. So let's take a look at some of these options. So you can get a very cheap sport, they call it like a sport mask off of Amazon. I got an orange one. I used to use this as a carpet cleaner. It basically has a carbon air filter that is in here. They are replaceable, and it's held in by the little vents on the front. It's pretty simple. There is a nose bridge. Just want to flare it out, stick it on your face, come around the back side, and I like to hook it below the ears. It is a Velcro closure. And then once it's on there, you want to compress the nose, because right in here is where you're going to get an air gap, and that is what you don't want. You want as minimal gapping on your face as possible. This goes for all of these methods, so just keep that in mind. So here you go. This is like, I think I got it for like 14 bucks on Amazon, link in description. All right, now we're going to get a little more homemade, so let's go. So the next option is one that I tried using at work. This was about 6 bucks on Amazon. This is literally just a tube of stretchy cloth. Now, I know what you're thinking, Joe, I don't have a fully closed tube of cloth lying around, and I would argue that you do. If you have any old t-shirts, you can literally cut off the sleeve, and then guess what? You have a tube of semi-stretchy fabric. And all we're gonna do here is straight up just put it over our heads. It's gonna look weird, but it's gonna be effective. So you can see a little bit of an air gap here. To try and minimize that, you can kind of hike up the back side up over your head, kind of balaclava style. You're gonna have to adjust the fit a lot. It's just the nature of these things. This is about where I like to wear mine. Since the governor gave the order, I feel comfortable wearing this out in public. However, day-to-day life, if you're wearing this, it seems like a really great way to get pulled over. So yeah, if you've got an old t-shirt, you can make probably at least 2 of these things. Or you can get this for like, I think it was like 6 bucks on Amazon, link in description as well. Okay, next one. Okay, for this next face covering, we are gonna do a cutaway, and I'll show you how to make it, but here's the final result. It is made from a bandana and 2 elastics that I created. So you literally just stick it on your face, put it around your ears, and kind of smush it out of your eyes. This is actually a better seal than I thought. I saw this online and I was like, oh, there's no way that's gonna work, but there's really not a whole lot of gapping here. I can feel it kind of squished in around my nose and mouth and cheeks. So honestly, this is gonna be a pretty decent covering. All right, let's turn the camera around. I'll show you how to make this. It's super easy. Okay, to create this bandana face mask, take the bandana, and you might have to practice this a few times. I know mine didn't fit my face initially. I would fold it 3 or 4 times, 3 if your face is bigger, 4 if it's a little smaller. And you get to here. Okay, now online you'll see people using hair ties. For me and my ears, these are way too strong. So I would probably recommend like rubber bands, because they're gonna be a little weaker and a little more comfortable to wear on your ears. If you have nothing else, use the hair ties. But I am gonna choose to use these. I had some elastic lying around, so I made some larger bands, and they are a little bit less aggressive, much more comfortable to wear. So what we're going to do is take one end, put that over like that. Oops, if I can grab it. Take the other one, put it like that. Just kind of guesstimate the size that your face is going to be. I know mine's a little bit bigger, so I'm going to widen it. All right, then we're going to take these wings and fold them in. Open up and stick one end inside the other. Okay, try to get this to lay as flat as possible. It's going to be more comfortable on your face. All right, push it down in the middle, pull your elastics to the side. All right, and there you go. Now you can stick this on your face. Okay, let's say you only have a bandana. Well, I think we all know that bandana can work as a face covering. Grab two corners, fold it into a triangle, put it up to your face, come around to the back, and you can just do a simple overhand knot, cross them, put one under, pull, and there you go. If you have nothing else, a bandana will be a pretty good face protectant. Like I said, if your state's using this policy, or if you got caught with your pants down and you don't have any N95 masks or better respirators like I happen to have lying around. I know not everyone has the resources, and that's the whole point of this video. One quick side note before I forget to mention, I would recommend using eye protection as well as face protection for any of this, because your eyes are mucous membranes and they can get water droplets in them, and therefore you can contract COVID-19 through your eyes. So if you have safety glasses, you want something nice and clear and bright, you can use these. Be aware that they will fog up with your breath. It's just how that goes. Otherwise, you could use some sunglasses. These are going to get a little less foggy and also give you that drug dealer chic look. All right, anyway. This whole channel is not dedicated to COVID-19 or anything like that. My normal game is knives and pens and EDC stuff. So yeah, if you like that kind of thing and DIY and crafting and handwriting and all kinds of stuff, please check out my other content, and feel free to subscribe to me on YouTube and go to my Patreon. My Patreon is free and has bonus content. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. I hope you're all staying safe. I've been Joe. You've been watching Ink&Iron. Please take care of yourselves, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.